With so much going on in the market, just want to bring one thing to you on just one stock because again, all of the market is selling off. A lot of bears out there right now. A lot of short is opening. There's our investors who are right now shorting over $3 billion worth of stock or shorting a lot. I just want to bring one thing to you to look forward to for next week. So next week I'm paying attention to one stock only, which is Nvidia, and they have a conference on the 17th to the 21st where Nvidia will kick off the 2025 GPU technology and let us know what's going on in the AI market and how the AI market can better this week and how it can better us as consumers of these AI, but also want to bring to you that a lot of volatility to come this week, like what happened 3 weeks ago and prior to that, where on Friday the market push up and then on Monday we start to pull back tremendously like what have been happening. You can see that the market has been pushing up on Fridays and then Monday comes and then we put in another 10% pullback, we put in another 5% pullback, we put in another 6% pullback. So don't be surprised if market is pulling back tomorrow past this line where we found support previously. It wouldn't come to me as a surprise, even though the market is in a 10% correction zone right now. So for the year, we're in a 10% correction zone right now. Let me repeat that because a lot of volatility to come is either downside more or we can continue to go on the upside. But where interest rate is concerned, I don't see any interest rate coming no time soon. Even though this week the Fed, we will be hearing from the Federal Reserve in regards, and I'm pretty sure nothing concerning cut is going to be coming from Jerome Powell mouth. We all know who Jerome Powell is. So we pushed up Friday, and nevertheless, we did this weeks before, and we could see a lot of pullback tomorrow and even steeper sell off. But if that's in, I can tell you, buckle up because the end is nowhere near. If we continue to get pullbacks, I can tell you that we're going to look to see NASDAQ future at really, really all-time lows. But other than that, let's go over to NVIDIA because it's one stock that I'm watching for this year. And why I'm watching it because even though the market pulled back a 10% correction, you can see that Nvidia did not pull back to $90 or $100. The lowest they went was $103 and pushed up from that. So if you had got in, if you had bought $100,000 worth of Nvidia at 103, you would have been up at least 17% now on your money because the stock is way over $121 trading. And if goes well with their GPU reports, what they're coming out with, you can see the stock over $300-400 soon to become this year. So not much to say today, but the other stock that I'm watching again is Reddit. Because if you had got some Reddit at 105, the stock is trading at $128 right now. So this is one stock I'm watching this year, and Nvidia. Keep your eye out. Again, do your homework, do your due diligence at all times because it only bring you with better news. As you can see, that Reddit broke all of my support that I have to show you that the stock is in a crucial point where you can buy some shares now and put it down for later. Nothing to go crazy about. So that's just my two stocks that I'm watching for this week and months to come. So until then, like and subscribe and let me know if there's anything I can break down for you in the market. Stay tuned.